Good morning, eighth graders. Happy Monday. We have a weird week this week because we don't have school on Friday and then we won't have school the following Monday. And so if you are in periods 1 and 2, you have a slightly different homework schedule than if you are in period 3. So today, what everybody needs to do on Monday is complete your chapter 1 exit ticket if you didn't already. That is in the discussion thread on week 22 in Schoology. The other thing that is really important right now is for you to finish your Book Buddy request form. Now for period 3, I have almost everybody. Period 1 and 2, I actually only have 2/3 of the class having responded. And if you don't tell me today who you would like to partner with, you will be put into random groups. And I can't change them after tomorrow because we are going to start using them later this week. So to do those things, make sure that you come to the week 22 folder in our unit 5 folder. So you see we have our PDF, our audiobook. Go into week 22 and you will see the form linked there. You'll also see the exit ticket if you need to finish that. Tomorrow on Tuesday, periods 1 and 2, we are going to read chapter 2 in class. We're going to start working with our double entry journals. Periods 3 and 4, we are going to read chapter 2 on Wednesday. You also need to read chapter 3 on your own because I will not see you on Friday. If you're in period 1 and 2, we will finish chapter 3 together on Thursday. Everybody, periods 1, 2, and 3, need to read chapter 4 on your own. That needs to happen before Tuesday's class, so you have some time. I would recommend getting all of this done by Thursday this week, though, so that you can enjoy the long weekend without any work. What are we getting graded on this week? You're going to get graded on your double entry journals. We're going to grade those as we go. You're going to get graded on live participation in class. And of course, there is always extra credit for coming to tutoring. Lastly, remember that if you are missing class because of the sex ed lessons, you need to come to tutoring to make up that work. Do not get behind just because you are not coming to class. Come to tutoring and make up that work, make up that credit. Missing class for sex ed doesn't excuse you from those grades. If you miss Tuesday's class, please come to either Monday's live support or Tuesday afternoon tutoring. If you're going to miss Thursday's class, please come to Thursday afternoon's tutoring. Obviously, if you're going to miss Wednesday, please come to the Monday or Tuesday as well. If you have any questions, as always, email me, send me a Schoology message, show up in live sessions to ask me questions. I'm super excited to continue reading The Giver with you guys this week. I'm really interested about talking about all the questions you asked in our exit ticket. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you in class.